Alrighty, hey, welcome to the channel. So this is the headliner for the Chevy, and I'm gonna use a tablecloth. I know it's kind of ghetto, but if it works, it works. I kind of just want to contain the dust that comes off of it, so let's do that. I'm gonna use this. Alrighty, don't judge me, but this is how she looks. It's definitely gonna keep off the fiberglass when I'm driving now, but that's how she looks. Okay, so this is how she's looking in the car. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Not sure how well you guys could see, but look at that. And there's a lot of imperfections, but no more fiberglass is gonna be flying on my head or foam or anything. But you guys know what to do. Like, share, and comment down below. Thank you.